90% of the time, we have all the information we need to make a big decision. Sadly, we seldom use it because of the way we were taught to make decisions, by making lists of positives and negatives, pros and cons. In this video, I'm going to show you the missing piece in making decisions, how to find it, and what to do if the decision doesn't work out the way you imagined. My name is Erik Forrester. I'm a next step strategist and the creator of Add Your Lane Project and the host of my workshop, Obstacles into Opportunities. Decision comes from the Latin word cut off from, and that can be a little scary. It creates an either or sense when we have those lists of positives and negatives, and then we're going to cut off. It creates some tension, very likely, maybe even fear in some cases. But before we get too into that, let's see how to find this missing piece I've been talking about. First of all, I'm going to invite you to move your thinking upstream from those lists that you've already made or are in your mind. And upstream, I'm going to invite you to look at the elements of your knowledge, elements of your experience, and elements of your understanding that have come into this decision before you even made these lists. These three elements, knowledge and experience and understanding, to me combine to form wisdom, your wisdom. And why not bring all of your wisdom to whatever this big decision is? I think that's a good idea. I would call that a whole brainer. So as you look at these elements of knowledge, experience, and understanding, imagine that they're like threads, and they have different colors so you can follow them. And they've been woven together maybe they're tangled a little bit. Either way, they're coming downstream and into this decision. These threads, however they're configured, create what I consider and I think of as the context. In other words, the weaving together of all of the elements of your experience, of your life, of all of that. And you may not be able to follow all of those threads, but they are there, and now you're looking at them very clearly. As you look at them in this clearer way, and you're seeing the colors and you're seeing how they may interact with each other, what this is doing is giving you a deeper and a wider perspective on the information you already had, and maybe it's uncovered information you didn't have or you hadn't connected yet. This is the big piece or the big pieces that I'm talking about. So as that big piece comes clearer, it may make your decision now much more clearer, much easier. You still, however, may have some fear that what if the decision is wrong? Well, to make the decision, you've cut off from some of these things to make that decision, and yet you haven't cut the threads completely away. They're still there. You had to make a cut, but you didn't destroy them. So you can go back, revisit, rethink, be reinvigorated by those threads. And with the information from the decision that didn't quite work, you're probably going to make a better decision, an even more informed decision than you made the first time. So moving upstream, moving deeper, gives you a wider range of possibilities. I'm all about finding possibilities. This new insight may help you understand more about turning obstacles into opportunities. Turns out I have another video that goes into that very area, and that's one of the places where I began this journey. My workshop, Turning Obstacles into Opportunities, is a free workshop occurring on Thursdays. You'll find a link down below to sign up. And I would welcome any comments or questions or clarity that you would like from this video. Those questions and those comments really help me understand how to deliver more valuable content. In the meantime, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I look forward to talking to you again and maybe meeting you in person. Embrace your obstacles, embrace your decisions. They have tremendous amounts of material to teach us, no matter where we are. in the course of our lives. I look forward to talking to you soon. Be well, and may wonders cross your paths.